You wake up on a cold linoleum floor. The air smells like ozone and damp concrete. In your right hand, a heavy ring of brass keys. In your left, a handwritten note. Everything is open. You stand up and face the heavy steel door of your basement apartment. You've lived here 3 years. You lost the key 6 months ago. You try the first brass key on the ring. It slides in like it was lubricated with silk. The bolt clicks. The door swings wide. You walk to the street. You find a parked black SUV. You shouldn't, but you do. The third key turns the ignition. The engine purrs. The world used to be a series of walls. Now, it's just a series of invitations. Curiosity is a virus. You walk into the lobby of a high-end apartment complex at 3 a.m. The night porter is asleep. You find a door marked private storage. One turn of the wrist. Inside, rows of cages filled with the lives of the wealthy. Designer luggage, vintage wine, a locked safe. The smallest silver key on your ring opens the safe. Bundles of $100 bills stare back at you. You take one, just one. You realize the locks aren't there to keep people out. They are there to keep the truth in. You leave the safe open. You want them to know someone was there. You're not interested in money anymore. You want access. You enter the downtown hospital. You press the button for the 14th floor. It doesn't light up. It requires a key card. You pull a plastic slab from your pocket. No markings. The reader turns green. The doors open to a floor that doesn't exist on the building's directory. Quiet. Too quiet. Names on the doors aren't people. They're corporations. You unlock a door labeled Biometric Data Archives. Servers hum in the dark. You find a file with your name on it. It's dated 3 years before you were born. Your pulse quickens. The keys aren't a gift. They're a recall notice. You're wearing a suit now. You bought it with the storage unit money. You're standing in front of a heavy oak door in the back of an exclusive social club. 2 men in earpieces move to block you. You don't say a word. You hold up a gold key with